all, welcome to Learn with Techies. This is the first video in series of videos that I will be creating on prompt engineering. Before continuing, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep on making these awesome videos. Prompt engineering is currently a hot topic. You would have seen many jobs opening up for prompt engineering with salary up to 200k. And everywhere on Twitter, whether they are big executives or CEO, they are talking about it. But many people fully don't understand what it is or how to use it. With this course, I intend to give you all an overview of prompt engineering, how to master the skill, and how you can learn prompt engineering to earn money. Since this is an intro video, so in this video, I will cover the basics. That is, what is prompt engineering? Why is prompt engineering important? Benefit of this course, like what you can get out of this course once you are done with this. And the tools and prerequisites that we will be using in this course. First topic we want to talk about is what is AI. AI is artificial intelligence. It's like having a computer or a robot that can think, learn and respond like a human. For example, think about Siri or Alexa or any other voice assistants that you use. They are all examples of AI that uses machine learning to understand and respond to your commands. The next term that's very important here is NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It's a subset of AI that focuses on making computer understand, interpret, and respond to human language. So whenever we ask any question to any AI tools like chatgpt, it's able to understand and reply. It's all because of NLP capabilities that are integrated into AI. One other term you must have been hearing frequently is LLM. LLM means language model with logic. It's type of artificial intelligence model that combines natural language processing with logical reasoning. LLM models can understand and reason about the meaning and context of the language, allowing them to make answers and predictions and perform other tasks that requires logical reasoning. Now, NLP and LLM may seem alike, but there is a major difference between them. NLP focuses on understanding and processing human language. It involves using computer algorithm to do tasks such as language translation or sentiment analysis, while LLM combines this processing with a logical reasoning wrapper over it. So basically, it adds a layer of logical reasoning to language processing. This allows LLM model to perform more complex tasks like answering your questions or doing those tasks where it needs to understand what you are saying and then take some decision internally based on your input and then respond accordingly. The next important terms that we hear a lot is GPT. So what is GPT? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's type of AI model that uses lot of data to learn how to generate human-like language. So these GPT models are trained on large amount of text data from book, article, websites to learn and understand the human language. They can then generate text on their own, such as writing story, answering question, or even composing poetry. There are multiple versions of GPT like GPT-2, GPT-3. ChatGPT is based on GPT model developed by OpenAI. Specifically, it's based on GPT 3.5 architecture, which is an advanced version of GPT model that has been fine-tuned on large amount of text data to improve its language capabilities. So here, GPT is kind of a subset of LLM. So now that we have covered the basic, let's go about what is prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is made up of two words, prompt plus engineering. So what is prompt? Prompt is whatever text we input into the AI model, which the AI model will understand and then reply with answers. So suppose if you are using ChatGPT, whatever text you enter into the ChatGPT, like write me a poem, write me this code, or any of that instruction that you pass to the model, that is what is called prompt. And prompt engineering is a process of constructing the prompt to get desired output from AI. In layman terms, prompt engineering means how to write the prompt in such a way that you will get 100% out of AI. So our next question could be, why is prompt engineering important? Like we already can go ahead and write simple text and ChatGPT can give us the answer. Why we need to learn this skill? LLMs like GPT-3 is based on huge models. These models are based on principle of quality of input that you provide is equal to quality of output that model will give. So for these big LLMs, the way you write the prompt is very important because that only determines the kind of output you get. Moreover, OpenAI has built ChatGPT on GPT-3. They have done a bunch of fine-tuning and reinforced learning and all the fun stuff on the GPT-3 model to create ChatGPT. So if you suppose want to create a business using the Open API, or you want to work a company that is using some APIs that is based on this GPT model, then you can't just go and use this chatgpt model that OpenAI has created. You will be only using the base model because those are only available from the APIs. So it's very important you learn how to engineer your prompt in such a way that on those base model also you would be able to get 100% result. I can show you a quick example here. Let's test this out. Suppose you are a teacher and you have to teach students about AI. You can ask ChatGPT to write a paragraph on explaining AI. So this is what it has given. It's very informative, but it's not written in a way that you want. Now, with help of one technique that we use, I can ask it, assuming you're a teacher of a 5th grade student, explain AI. So this is what it has written. If you see, it's way better than what we have in the earlier version, which was not at all creative. And here, since we have given it a role as a teacher, it's kind of giving us both teacher-student conversation. So this was a very small example by how we can use that prompt engineering. You can see, like just changing the way we ask the prompt, we can get better answers. So your next question will be, okay, prompt engineering seems important, but what could I get from this course? So first one is, there are a lot of job opportunities as a prompt engineer. So if you just Google prompt engineering jobs, you will see multiple prompt engineering jobs on Indeed.com and other portals. You can also check the Upwork if you want to do some freelancing work. So the second benefit is you can create your own business using OpenAI APIs. So if you know how to structure and use this prompt, you can create your own business also by using this APIs. The third one is like you can go ahead and create teaching courses for the students. The last thing we will be talking about is the tools that we will be needing. There are only two things that we will be needing here. One is ChatGPT and other is ChatGPT Playground. I want you to quickly show what is ChatGPT Playground and why we are using it. So here you just have to go on to this link. I'll be posting this link in the description below, and this will open you a Playground. It will ask you to log in, which you can do with like how you do on ChatGPT. So once you logged in, this is the Playground. So we are using ChatGPT Playground also because it contains tons of additional feature which you can use to create your own API. These options like temperature, maximum length, top P, this will give you more insight how prompts are actually created. So for the next videos, these are the two tools that we will be using, and the best part of this is like it's absolutely free. Do subscribe to my channel so whenever a new video comes out, you are the first one to watch it. And do post a comment in the videos below. Are there any other topics that you want me to cover? That's pretty much it. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you again in the next video of prompt engineering.